Hello friends, in this video we learn how to change default video player on Windows 10 PC. So friends, to change default video player on your Windows PC or laptop, firstly click on Start, then click on Settings. Now in here click on Apps. Now click on Default Apps. Scroll down. Here friends, you will find option Video Player. So if you want to change default video player, click here. You will see a list of video player. Select which you want to use as default. In my case, there is default VLC media player, and there is another one Windows media player, and another one films and TV media player, and it's recommended for Windows 10. So select as your choice. That's it. So as we can see, our default media player is changed now. So that's it friends. By this quick method we can change default media player in Windows 10 PC. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.